The month of Ramadan that is coming in less than 60 days. And it's a beautiful guest that we could get all our sins forgiven. We could finish this month with clean slate. We have to prepare from now. If we wait till the beginning of Ramadan, and then from the beginning we start coming to Fajr and Jama'ah, we start reading the Quran, fasting, Taraweeh, all of it together, 3, 4, 5 days, because we have not done any of that for a very long time. You see, most of the masajid, the first week are packed, and then slowly and gradually they go back to normal. Why? Because we did not prepare. Rajab is the best month to start training yourself and preparing yourself physically and spiritually to the month of Ramadan.